Generative AI is a powerful tool and an emerging attack surface. Today we introduce a tabletop exercise that tests your incident response to prompt injection and RAG poisoning. Attackers can poison knowledge bases and trick AI assistants to reveal secrets or generate malicious commands. The result: data exfiltration, automation misuse, and rapid compromise. This exercise covers Accompany AI Assistant, its RAG data store, automation pipelines, and your detection stack. Step 1. An attacker gains low-level credentials and uploads a carefully crafted document to the company drive. Step 2. The document is indexed into the RAG data store with hidden prompts. Step 3. HelpBot, using that poisoned context, generates a runbook containing an exfiltration command. Step 4. A junior engineer copies and runs the runbook, and data begins flowing to an attacker-controlled endpoint. Your SOC will see an outbound post. A product manager will report an indexing request. EDR will show a curl process. And model logs will reveal the poisoned RAG retrievals, all within a compressed timeline. Critical decision points. Do you isolate the automation host only, or revoke HelpBot keys and take the RAG data store offline? This exercise forces trade-offs between containment and business continuity. Expected responses include isolating hosts, preserving artifacts, rotating keys, removing poisoned documents, and enforcing human review before executing model-generated code. Success looks like fast detection, decisive containment, a rebuilt trusted index, and no recurring exfiltration. Ready to test your team, run the full tabletop, request mock artifacts, or join GCEF's training to harden your AI pipelines? Click below to get started. Global Cyber Education Forum, defending the future of AI.